Alright, what's going on? In today's episode, we're going to be replacing some front brakes on a 2021 Buick Envision. Pretty cool. It's kind of hard to find the brakes. Had to go to the actual dealership to get them, and they came out to quite a bit. So heads up, if you need brakes for this car, it's going to be about close to $200 just for the parts alone. Alright, you'll need a 22 millimeter, and for the brake caliper itself, you'll need a 14 millimeter and either a brake tool or a pry bar to get to them. Pretty much the same procedure on the other side. Make sure you replace the clips that come with them and clean underneath where all the debris is. And also clean the boots of the calipers also, because a lot of grime builds up and that can cause a lot of squeaking and just damage to your seals eventually too. So just knock that out with a little brush. Alright, finally got the brakes installed. Now we're going to take it on a little drive. This will be my first time driving one of these too. I'm going to check it out. Alright, got rid of that squeak, so that's good. The next one. That's probably like the best backup camera I've done seen so far. That's like a 10-inch screen. And then it has an auto dimming feature. On my 4Runner, I gotta turn my headlights off if I want brighter lights. So that's pretty cool. And then the seat vibrates. It's kind of connected to the parking sensors. So that's pretty intricate. We are good to go on this one. It's a pretty nice Buick. Pretty nice.